Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Sophie, aka the Zooster, and today we're gonna do a Halloween tutorial kind of thing. So, October started officially, so we can all get excited about Halloween now. And I did a few makeup. I did a few Halloween makeup looks and they turned out, I'd say I was quite happy the way they turned out. So my boyfriend said, oh, you should really make a video about it because that's what people want to see. So that's what we're gonna do today. And the video that we're gonna make today is a tutorial about how I created this look right here. So I didn't invent this look. I recreated it from this other girl on Instagram called, I think her name is Cherie's Help Makeup. But I'll put it here and I'll link it down below as well. But she made this look originally and I recreated it from that. So that being said, this is not going to be a talking tutorial because that's going to take way too long. I'll show you what I'm using and then I'm just going to make a non-speaking video. So enjoy. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get started and enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and we are at the end of this video. Oh dear, I touched my fake blood. This fake blood, I have to say, it's from, I think you pronounce it as Nye. NYE, I don't know. It's dark blood. It's just, it's amazing. It's really good. It dries a bit quick, but it just gives like a really nice effect. It makes the look. This was my alien infection look. Like I said, this is not mine. I didn't invent this. I got it. I saw it on Sherry's Hope makeup, or if that's how you pronounce your name. I saw it on her page, and that's how I thought, that's so cool, let me try that. I'll put everything down below that I've used, products and colours and all that. But yeah, we've reached the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'd say this is one of my more creative looks. So I think this one's going to be my look for Halloween as well. Like, I can do this to meet my boyfriend and we are both aliens. I'm getting too excited. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this look. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and to subscribe to my channel, because there are definitely going to be more videos. And yeah, happy Halloween. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.